Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1967 AMC Wagon. This has got, I believe, to be 343 under the hood with power steering, no AC on this car. You can tell they've added some new parts to the brakes, and the car actually runs and drives very good. Pretty original shape here. I noticed one thing on the test drive: the valve cover on the passenger side has a little bit of a leak. Every once in a while you see a little smoke coming up. Normal wear and tear there. We're gonna be walking around this car pointing out any flaws. That way you know what you're buying when you get here. You can check out maplemotors.com for shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Plus all of our inventory is located on that site. I actually personally like these wagons. I love the back seat. Had a lot of memories as a kid riding around in some of this, or some of these. All right, we're gonna get started here. I like to point out any flaws on the paint job. This one's got an old paint job on it. As you can see, if I get really close, you got little scratches, chips, all on top of the fender. I've seen a little dent. There it was, right here on top. Coming down to the lower portion, you have a few scratches there where the vinyl sticker was. Coming up over the fender. Picking up some road grime from the test drive. You got a few rust spots popping up in the corner of the door here. Looks like on the back. Get a few chips on this portion in the back. Coming up over the rear fender. Exhaust kicked out to the side. Some more rust trying to pop through there. Paint chips. Looks like a hole. Coming back the midsection, cross country. You got some chips. This is an older paint job. You can see all the cracking in the paint. Some chips there. A little bit of dust and dirt popping up. A lot of light scratches here. Not in perfect shape for sure. Just kind of running down since there's so many. Some oxidation on here. The mirrors are in good shape. The trim around the window looks nice and clean. The roof here, somebody definitely sat on this. You can see how it's got a few dents. They're pulling the old That 70s show where the kids are sitting on the roof. Coming around the front end. Front bumper's not brand new. It's still in good shape. Headlight bezels have a few little spots in them. See some pitting. Lots of chips in the paint there. And on top of the fender, you see all the chips. There's a dent here. Okay, we're gonna come down this portion of the car and then we're gonna run around the back and hop on the interior. Just kind of breeze through. I'm gonna be looking for any rust or major dents. There is lots of chips and scratches on this car. There's a dent right here in the lower portion. Some big chips in the bottom of the door there. You've got some rust popping up back here in the back, probably the worst on the whole car. Looks like somebody tried to touch it up here at some point, it's like. Coming up over the rear, there is a hole right here in the back, right by the exhaust. Lots of chips and scratches. Scratches there. Coming down the midsection. A little hazy. Okay, I've already went over all of that. Looking across the roof here, same thing on this side. Somebody has definitely been sitting up here at some point. Wonder how many years ago that was. They're pretty cool. I'm gonna bring this home, give it to my wife. She wouldn't know what to do. Look at across the back here. You got a lot of chips and scratches down in the bottom here. You got some rust trying to pop through under the paint. It's very light at the moment. Rear bumper. Yeah, lots of scratches. Once you get up close, you can kind of see them. We'll put the tag back on there for the moment, and let's check out the interior. After I get it started up, we'll listen to the motor and get some undercarriage shots. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures of this ride at maplemotors.com. Door panel is in great shape. That thing looks fairly new. It's not, it's just been taken care of, I assume. Looking up under the bottom of the door, pretty solid. Weather stripping's a little bit torn. Inside the door jambs there, got some paint chips. Carpet, weak on this one. Interior, the seat is in good shape. Back seat, same thing. We'll jump in the very back here in a moment and roll down that back window. Headliner's in good shape. Dash, same thing. We'll go check that out more. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? That's a little game we like to play on this channel. Some people take shots. Some people bet on the couch. I've seen everything in the comments. I'll be reading them. Let's go ahead and start this one up. Once it's warm, it starts up pretty easy. It's very cold in nature. When it's cold, it's a little bit tough to start this one. Jumping across the dash. Showing you the mileage. This is a 67 model, so they're hard to stand behind on mileage. Windshield wipers do work. Let's see if the blower motor works. I hear it cutting on. And I feel it. Blower motor's kicking on. Gas gauge does not work. Temp gauge does not work. Speedo does. Radio does not. Horn. Just swore this. Oh, there it goes. It works when it wants. Check this out. So we got a power window for the very back. It's down here. There's a switch up and down. Look at this. Here we go. Come on, kids. Jump in the back. Don't make me pull this car over. Let's see. I've never opened this. Yeah. Check that out. That is huge. I feel like it's 5 foot long. Fairly clean back here. What do we got in the box? Let's check it out first. The ashtray, and it's backwards so you can smoke back here. Luxury. Let's look at this. What is this? Hood insulation. I'll throw it in. Why not? There's something else in here. AMC tag. A mystery box. You get a mystery box with it. And there's nothing in here. Nothing. Well, I'll just throw all that with the car. We don't need it. We don't like keeping parts. So, good deal. And it shuts good. Okay, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. I want you to check out the test drive video. I do take this one down the road. It runs and drives great. Motor's nice and quiet. Idled up just a bit high here. I'll have to get a screwdriver to cut that down, but you do have a little bit of an oil leak coming from this valve cover. There's a seal under it. Take the 4 bolts out. Well, this one has more than 4, but and put the new seal in it. Should fix it. See, you have a little puff over there every once in a while is what I mean. That's why you need the new insulation in the trunk. This one's starting to fall down. Let's go ahead and shut this hood, see how it lines up. Comes down very easy. It's already locked. It does have imperfections on the hood. Okay, and about those undercarriage shots, we're gonna start up here in the front, go all the way around this wagon, and I'll get back to work. Let's look under it. Okay, I appreciate y'all watching. I usually post videos pretty much daily, weather permitting. It's pouring down rain. It's hard for me to make a test drive video. If it's snowing, I'm not getting out here in these two-wheel drive cars. So I do appreciate you watching. I will have these videos coming your way. If the weather stays like it is today, hot and sunny, I'll have something coming for you every day. So hit that subscribe button. Check out my previous 1,700 videos here on YouTube. And if you enjoy them, I appreciate it. Hit that share button. That helps us out greatly. MapleMotors.com. I have finance and I have shipping available. I have 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and every Monday I update with new cars. I'll see you more this week, guys. Thanks for watching.